Alright, so we're going to try this again because the premium connectivity is expiring today, I think. Let me see here. Does it show here? Premium connectivity, here you go, expires on May 2nd, 2022. So we're going to go to upgrades again. I'm going to see what happens if I put another year and then stop it. Huh. Interesting. I can't purchase it from my car. That's interesting. Cancellation policy. Is it because I canceled it one time? So, I don't know. I guess I'm not allowed to do it from here anymore. So, we're going to go over to the app. I think the app doesn't let you do the 1 year one, though. So, that sucks. Let me see if I turn Wi-Fi on, if that makes a difference. Give me a second here. Alright, so we're here in the app now. Sorry, I don't know what it recorded earlier, but I tried connecting with Wi-Fi and it says the same thing, that it's not available for purchase from my car. So we're in the app. We're going to go to upgrades, software upgrades. Sad thing is now I don't get the option for the annual subscription. They only have the 1 month. So we're going to add that. Oh, actually they do have it. Okay, so if I go down here, $99 a year, save on annual subscription. We'll select next. Okay, so basically you save about 20 bucks or so. All right, we'll do checkout. You can see it shows that, all right, May 2nd, and I don't know what card I want to use. Let me check here real quick. Give me a second. All right, so it does have my credit card in there, so I'm going to change that over. 8739, and we'll click subscribe, and let's see what happens. I'm kind of curious what will happen now if I canceled it, because so it says now your annual billing will start May 2nd. So let's go ahead and go back to the recording and let's see what's on the screen of the car. All right, we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so now here you can see premium connectivity auto renewal May 2nd, 2023. Okay, if I go to upgrades here, no upgrades. All right, software. If we go back over here, all right, auto renewal. If we go in there, premium connectivity, offers satellite view and all that, whatever. So they don't have the option to cancel it in here. I'm going to see what happens if I go back to the phone. All right, so give me a second. We're going to go back over to recording the phone screen and we'll take a look what it shows. Alright, so we're recording the phone screen again. Let's go back over upgrades, software updates, subscribe. Okay, you have all the software subscriptions. So if we go to manage here, we have active, renews May 2nd, 2023, full self-driving, learn more. Okay, in-car upgrades, limit purchases. Huh, wait, what's this? Limit in-car purchases. What if I'm confused. Does that one make it so I can make the purchases in the car? In-car upgrades. Oh, okay, so you want this on so you can make the purchases in the car. Okay, and then we got autopilot, full self-driving. Okay, premium connectivity. So if I go in here, if I cancel this, did it already charge me? So it says there's the receipt, so that means it probably already charged my account. Oh shoot, I didn't bring my other phone. No wonder why I didn't see it. But I guess it already charged. So let's go here and take a look. Okay, so premium connectivity. See here, sold to, premium connectivity, the price. And yeah, so they actually already must have charged the account. So canceling it should actually keep it on your account again for a whole year. So if I do that, it has a switch to monthly option, and we have a cancel at the very bottom. So let me see if I cancel. So if I say just trying it out, let's see what happens. Or let me see what happens if I say bought by mistake, and then we'll cancel. But I think it's gonna keep it. If you cancel premium connectivity, your subscription will end on May 2nd, 2023. So yeah, it'll keep the thing for the whole year. So it already charged the 100. There's no refunds. There's no partial refunds. There's no prorated option, it will just keep the entire 100 and keep that for the whole year. So I'll just leave it on there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps some of you guys out to see what you'd be getting into if you did pay for the full year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.